Alright guys, so I need to prune some of these cabbages. As you can see, some of the leaves are like all over the place. So I need to cut them. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I think it's necessary because they don't look that good. Some of these have been eaten by bugs, so I'm gonna trim some of this out so it can grow. And then I'll feed this to my chickens. And then some of this down here. Really don't need to be there. These ones here, the chickens love them. Pruning. Let me know if you do this, if you plant cabbage, if you take some of these extra leaves, and if that's a good idea. But I think it is, because I don't want bugs to get into the cabbage. Yeah, drop me a comment and let me know if you do this when you plant cabbages, or it's not necessary. I personally think it is. Just to get it to grow good. Not all of it, but there's the ones that are laying on the ground. Just take them off. There you go. Some of them are so huge. They're like on the ground. I think that looks good. I like it. Alright, so I got all these right here. I'm gonna cut it for the chickens. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff they can get from your garden for your chickens. And stuff that chickens can eat, go to the compost. But the chickens pretty much will eat anything here. So but everything is growing so good in here. I got this tomato here, it's coming out really good. Another tomato here is coming. This one here. That's weeds. Okay, I'll bring my camera closer for you guys to see this in just a second. Just wanted to get this first. Alright, so let me bring my camera closer so you guys can see. So look at all these cabbages. This one is already forming in there. And this one too. You can see it in there. And this one. It's getting there. That one is folding in. So they look very, very healthy, if you can see out here. So what I was doing, I was just trimming these things here, extra stuff there. Well, on the ground here. That's them here. Let's cut them. So they're not like on the ground, if you can see right here. But the cabbage tail should be able to stand. So I usually just put like pieces of wood like this, so the leaves are not on the ground. So I just get it closer like that for support. And then I put one right there. If you can see, I have another one here. It helps. And then I have this one is, it looks weird, like the color of this paper, but it's getting paper. Maybe this is just the actual color, I'm not sure. But I got two papers coming on it. Then I got this one here, starting to get flowers. And this one has a tomato here. This is a aroma tomato. And then this one is it's getting flowers. This is a cucumber. It's coming up. And this is the Italian parsley. Yep, right there. So I did throw in a tomato, potato here. It's coming up. If you look down here, you can see a potato. See, just a piece of potato, and it grows. It's doing really good. And then I got this one here that has some tomatoes, another cucumber, and that one rosemary. There's another. This is bell pepper, red bell pepper, and another cucumber, and another cucumber right here. And this is a zucchini. And look at this tomato, is coming up really good. This one. And another cabbage is right there. I did put some mint in a pot right here. I'm probably gonna take it inside when the weather gets bad. But it's growing really good. It's mint. And another one here. Put it in a container. Usually if you put it on the ground, it will take over. So, and this is my lemon. As you can see, it's about to start getting some leaves. The leaves fell off when I brought it outside, but it's starting to get new leaves. And a pine tree right here that was growing randomly everywhere, so I put it in a pot. It's coming up. And another cucumber here is struggling, but it'll come up. This is a random tomato that just came from nowhere. I don't know what this is here, right here. Probably weeds. But I'll get it later. Another spinach that just came. Itself came back. I do not know what this is. But it's grown here. No idea. It looks like a root plant. Like the stuff that it's white. It looks like carrot. That's what I'm thinking it is, but I'm not sure what that is. We'll see when it grows. Yeah, another spinach right here. And one more here. It's coming up by itself. And another one on the back there. Anyway, that is my garden right now. Alright. So I'm gonna go show you guys how I feed my chickens the scrap or the leaves that I just cut off the cabbage. So you guys can see. Look at that. Look delicious. I can't wait to eat some of this. Alright, so just in a second I'll show you how I feed my chickens. Alright, so let's feed the chickens. They're gonna come here running. Just a second. We just got the small pieces. They eat it. Let me get a knife instead of this. See that? Just cut small pieces. The chickens love greens. There you go. They're going to eat all that in just a few hours here. They'll be gone. As you can see, they love that stuff. See that? Healthy chickens. No hormones, nothing. They just eat healthy stuff. Yeah, they're eating it. Yeah, these chickens just eat a bunch of scrap from my kitchen, from scrap from my garden. I do supplement with like food, but I try to get organic food for them so I can eat healthy eggs and have some healthy chickens. There it is, guys. Just wanted to share with you guys my garden, my backyard DIY project. All right. So I will catch you guys in the next one.